Hey guys, how are you all doing? Everything good? I'm Ed from Parqueteto, and in this video I'm going to give you several tips to help you decorate your house or your apartment. This is the project I'm delivering to my client, an 88 square meter apartment where we did both the design and the build out, from floor to ceiling, going through every stage of this renovation here. So I want to give you a tour, walk you through everything we included in the project that we executed, and it will be useful for you. Come on. I want to start with the laundry area, okay? Come here. Here we designed custom furniture to accommodate his washer and dryer, a tower unit, okay? Washer and dryer here with this white countertop, white, right, whatever you want to call it, lower cabinet, all good, a cabinet to hide the heater, and an overhead cabinet here too. Look how nice this is. Check it out. One thing I really like to use in my projects is this product here. Look, a retractable wall-mounted clothesline, okay? This is really cool. I used two in his apartment, one on top and one on the bottom, both 80 centimeters. There are also 1 meter, 1.2 meter, and 60 centimeter options. I'll leave you the link to where I bought it down below in the description, okay? Coming back to the kitchen now, there are a lot of interesting things, a lot of cool stuff here in the kitchen that I want to tell you about. From the induction cooktop, built-in gas oven, this LED here on the kitchen wall that I think is awesome, including this shelf that I really like. The range hood is here, okay? Many people asked in my previous videos, where's the range hood? Here it is. Let me turn on the light. It's a slim hood we installed. Here we have a white quartz countertop, okay? It's the same as the countertop over there and the same as the counter over there. Single lever faucet here as well, okay? Hot water, cold water, satin finish floor. It's a large tile, 1 meter 20 by 1 meter 20. We have a dishwasher here. I put the microwave on this side in the project and the fridge over there next to it. And come here, wait a second, look at this. Something interesting. Sliding door built into the wall, okay guys? Look at this. Forget about that traditional glass door where one panel is fixed here and the other one moves. The door you need to use is this one right here. Look. You're going to click, oops, the key's stuck. You click and it slides into the wall. Click again and it comes out. I'll also leave the link for you to buy it. It's through the Optimize website, which is our partner. Use the coupon ARC7 to get a discount there, okay? Let's check out the kitchen. It looks amazing. Now the living room, wow. Let me show you this counter. Here we made this counter to make the most of the cabinets, to build in the microwave, with a niche down here and this beautiful counter that serves as a spot for his quick daily meals. Look how cool that is. Someone's moving in the kitchen while another person is relaxing at the counter. I've already told you guys that a kitchen counter needs to be like this. Look. That kind of counter that, comes up like this. I hate that. I don't like it. I don't use it in my projects. A counter where you come, then it goes up and does this. Ed, there's a cooktop on the other side of my island. That's fine, we can check it, but it needs to be like this. I like it this way. In fact, it goes down on the side, see? This stone goes down, making this whole outline here, okay? Come here. Since I'm here at my high counter, I have a stone niche with a wine cooler here that we included in the project. And this niche is where he's going to put his coffee maker, something here, matching our whole project. We have Ubatuba green stone here. Look at the kitchen over there. Look at the kitchen stone, the kitchen wall stone. Notice that we have a set of colors here that go well together. From the light beige of the furniture matching the floor, okay? Between the green here in the niche and the green over there on our countertop, right? Here we have a panel with a concealed door. This beautiful door that's right here, look. Wait, we're entering the bedrooms now. I want to show you this here. This is his office, look. We made a custom wood desk, a tall cabinet, LED lights underneath, and really nice lighting too. And this door here, when he's in his office working using the computer, if there's someone here, he can just close the door panels and have privacy in his office, okay? This type of door is amazing, okay? I really liked it, I enjoyed it a lot. In fact, it opens from both sides, look. Alright? If you want to open it from both sides, you can. You can leave it halfway open if you want. Look how cool that is, see? Beautiful, right? A project we made that we created and included in the project. He loved it, so we brought it here with our glass workers, see? See how cool that is? Let's talk a little about the balcony. We already had a darker stone there on the countertop. He ended up not wanting to change the barbecue countertop, so we kept it. We made this counter from the same material as that stone over there to have a counter here for his barbecue. Here it is, look. He takes the food off the grill here and sets it here and serves the people at the table, you know? And then we have this division here between the barbecue area and the dining table, right? His balcony set up for entertaining. Here is exactly his barbecue corner. We covered this with porcelain tiles 20 by 20. This used to be open. We put up drywall here, look, to hide it and make the barbecue area look nice, aesthetically pleasing, right? And look, we have some green accents here. We have green here that's the same green that's over there, matching with the green of the sofa and complementing with this black countertop here. We have this organic shaped table with this chandelier right here in our balcony, which basically became his dining room, right? And we have this whole panel, which is frejo, right? We call this wood here frejo. Including covering the entrance door with this whole big panel here, which is the same as the one here, and the same one used inside his office. And the same green that's over there is the green that's here in the living room, matching our sofa. Come here. Let's go in here now to the hallway that leads to the bedrooms, okay? Should we go to the single person's bedroom first? Check out this beautiful bedroom, guys. Here we have vinyl flooring in the bedrooms. We have the wardrobes for the single room here. The one in the couple's room is also very beautiful. Linen wallpaper. It's what I always tell you to use in the bedrooms and what I use in my projects. See? Linen wallpaper. This is the wallpaper you'll have to use in your project. I'll leave the model and where you can buy this type of wallpaper down here in the description for you. Linen, really beautiful. It feels great to run your hand over it. Awesome. We have lighting here on this low panel by the headboard. Look at this beautiful lighting, see? And we also have the curtain rod lit up with this cool curtain we put here. We have this little panel here too, look. Where we put the TV and the air conditioner up here with this shelf to solve this issue here in the single bedroom. Now come here. Come to the master bedroom with me. Look, the hallway turned out really fancy. Let's put it that way, really nice too. Why? Because we separated the vinyl flooring from the living room to the hallway, right? And then we had a private hall, let's say, for the guest bathroom. Come here. Here's the guest bathroom. We used the same flooring as the living room, just in smaller dimensions, 90 by 90. With this beautiful wall covering that's here on the wall, okay? Black fixtures, shower enclosure, okay, the black shower frame. A white countertop as well, which is the same material as the kitchen, with this drop-in sink and a black faucet too. Look at how beautiful this guest bathroom is. Come here, let's go in now, since we're talking about bathrooms, into the master bathroom. We fixed a small issue in the master bathroom using this shower enclosure model. Look. Folding shower door, okay? If I put two fixed panels, I would have a very narrow passage here. So we chose this model. We have a lighted niche, just like in the guest bathroom too. And here is the same design as the guest bathroom. What changes are the finishes, because the niches, cabinetry and sink are all the same. We even have here, look, this cabinet here in the suite bathroom has a sliding mirror door. Now come here. Come into the suite with me, look. Check out this beautiful suite, man, be honest. Curtain, I always tell you guys, okay? The curtain goes from floor to ceiling. It can't stop in the middle, all right? The curtain is like this, look, from floor to ceiling. Illuminated curtain recess. Wallpaper on the headboard wall. Look at this. See? This is the wallpaper you need to use. I told you about the other room, the single one. See? Linen wallpaper. On the headboard wall, I really like to use this type of decoration. A custom wood headboard with linen wallpaper and this LED that you're seeing here. See? Giving this wash of light to my wall with linen wallpaper. Alright? And then, to complement, we put a side table here with this beautiful pendant light here and the panel which is the design of the singles bedroom. Okay, let's say that we wrapped it. We covered this whole wall with cabinetry to put the TV and the air conditioner up there. And here are the wardrobes. And the cool thing is this. On this side, we have a wardrobe where the doors open using these grooves we left here in the cabinetry. See? Pretty cool, right? With soft closing and everything. Look how cool that is, see? And then notice that we have a cabinet here, a smaller, narrower wardrobe. Why did I include this narrower wardrobe here in the design? It's for him to store his sneakers, see? Isn't that cool? Here he'll be able to store more things and also keep his sneakers. So we created a shoe rack in this thinner, narrower wardrobe on this side. Here we also used vinyl flooring, right? From the hallway to the bedrooms, we used vinyl flooring. And here we have a mirror, a beautiful mirror here in the suite's bedroom. So the client can see himself daily to get ready, right? So we can make use of that wall there. Here in the suite's bedroom, okay? Come here now. Shall we wrap up the video? Here in the living room, it's really cool, right? We have air conditioning, a cassette on the ceiling, and surround sound. Notice there are 4 speakers here, 2 out on the balcony, and the subwoofer is right here on the side. So it's a project that we built from scratch. It's a project where we suggested these colors, Freo wood, and the cabinetry to the client. We put in a very light floor, we matched the green of the sofa with the furniture. He simply loved it, really enjoyed it, liked it a lot. The kitchen looks spectacular with this large, beautiful counter. And this is a project I'm delivering to my client today. So what am I going to ask you? Share this video for me, okay? Send this video and send it to that person you know is about to start a renovation. And then maybe it can give them some ideas. They'll watch the video and say, wow, I like that TV stand. Wow, I like these chairs. Wow, I like that countertop. So it can be an inspiration for you too, okay? Share it, subscribe to the channel. All the items you saw here, which I recommend in my projects, are down below in the description of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, like this tour, this beautiful, wonderful project that we just finished. We're handing it over to our client today, okay? Take care and see you in the next video.